Hello, this is William. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to solve for you guys a very common problem. This is a problem that puzzled me for I don't know, maybe half an hour, and after a little bit of research, I found a solution to it. So basically, I'm trying to make a logo for my my other channel called Code with William Jamming, where I share with you guys how to make a xylophone, and well, I will try to upload that to Play Store. Play Store require a certain logo, so I say, hey, I already have another channel called Learn Digital Art, and I'm going to share you guys how to make illustrations and graphic design and maybe some logo design using this. So I'm going to share my logo with you guys. So how to do that? So basically, it's a xylophone. So I already got this the rabbit thing, but it's it's a kind of like take too much of a space. So we sort of need to make it smaller and then actually make a xylophone icon, because we don't want to overtake the whole, like the center of attention of the xylophone. So how to do that? So the first thing you thought, hey, it's really simple, right? You just select everything. You just use the select tool, select everything, and you just shrink it down. If you shrink it down, you will notice something really weird happen. Okay, so even though you're holding shift, smart you're holding shift, you say, hey, I'm going to keep the proportion and shrink it down like this. And if you shrink it down, you will notice that it's not what you think it will be. Okay, so it'll be like, what the heck's going on with the rabbit's ear? Okay, it should be something like this. Why is it something like this? We don't know right now. Okay, that's the common mistakes that if you haven't switched all this on. Okay, so let's do not select everything. Okay, it's just one click at background here, and of course you can you always make that to the original size. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is the command and 0, just make it use outboard of the canvas to fill much of the space. Okay, so for example, let me just make it a little bit bigger. So yeah, so basically what I'm trying to do is to deselect everything and go to here. I think we got this properties, and we got this preferences. Okay, and we got use preview bounds and scale corners and scale stroke and effects. We need to switch both of scale corners as well as scale stroke and effects on in order to actually shrink this. So let me show you. If I switch everything on and I shrink, it won't affect the curve. Okay, because this triangle we got 3 curves to like actually round it. But if you don't select this, it won't affect the curve. Okay. And I think the air looked a little bit weird, so I might need to change that a bit as well. So maybe just unshrink this. I think the air's shape is a little bit weird, because if you want to curve, it should be curved like this way. So I'm thinking of make this horizontal. Make this much longer, and maybe not so rounded corner out here. So maybe not so rounded corner like here. Okay, and let's grab this and maybe make this part. This part we can make it out a bit. Okay, yeah, and of course we can make the line a little bit thin. And by the way, if you want to solve this like a tiny little problem here, I got another way for you. Is to change the stroke. Okay, right now we do have a stroke, and we can increase the stroke. Okay, like to a different pixel. Let me just zoom it out a little bit, because I think we don't need this really thin line, because if you got a really small pixelated thing, you might won't be able to see it. So let me use 10 pixel for everything. Okay, and I think I can even select everything and specify the stroke to 10 pixel. Okay, and definitely not everything. Sorry about that. Maybe the air can change that to 10. The rest, maybe not so. This can be 10. And the mouse, maybe just 5 would be enough. Okay, I think 5 will be enough. 5. This would be 5. And this part will be 5. The eye, we are not going to change this. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I can move it up and you will get a nice overlap. And yeah, so yeah, pretty nice. And of course, after you have done that, you can change scale corners and the stroke as well as effect. If you switch this two on, then you're holding shift and you zoom it down, it won't matter that much. Okay, so still get everything and still pretty nice. So what I'm gonna do is to place it at maybe at the center of here. Then you can add say the design font. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple one. And see you at the next video where I share how to make a xylophone.